You know that feeling when you're mid-game, about to clutch the final round, and your keyboard ghosts you? Yeah, it's like betrayal from your closest ally. But what if I told you there's a way to never miss a keystroke again? Meet the best gaming keyboards of year, handpicked to give you the speed, precision, and durability your setup deserves. Let's be real. Choosing a gaming keyboard is overwhelming. Do you go mechanical or optical, tactile or linear, full size, TKL, or 60%? And what about those keyboards promising pro-level performance, but feel like you're typing on a soggy pizza box? That's where this list comes in. I've tested and compared the best gaming keyboards on the market, considering factors like switch type, responsiveness, build quality, and extra features like RGB lighting and macro programmability. Let's dive in. SteelSeries Apex Pro. This keyboard is in a league of its own thanks to its adjustable mechanical switches. You can literally customize the actuation point for each key, meaning you can have a featherlight press for movement keys while keeping other keys at a more traditional depth. This is a huge advantage for competitive gamers who want total control over their inputs. The build quality is top tier, featuring an aircraft-grade aluminum frame, per-key RGB lighting, and a comfy magnetic wrist rest. Razer Huntsman V2 Analog. Razer's optical switches redefine speed, but the real standout feature here is the analog actuation. Unlike standard keyboards that register presses in a binary on-off manner, this keyboard can detect how far you press a key, similar to an analog stick. This means you can walk, sprint, or steer in racing games with a single key. Add in the plush wrist rest and an ultra-responsive 8000 Hz polling rate, and you have one of the fastest gaming keyboards out there. Corsair K100 RGB. If you want raw speed, this is the keyboard for you. The K100 features Corsair's OPX optical mechanical switches, which actuate at lightning speed. But the real game changer, it's 4000 Hz polling rate, which means inputs are registered 4 times faster than most other gaming keyboards. It also has an ICUE control wheel that can be used for media control, zooming, and even adjusting RGB settings on the fly. Perfect for multitaskers and content creators. Logitech G Pro X TKL. This keyboard is a pro favorite, and for good reason. It's compact, lightweight, and wireless with Logitech's Lightspeed technology, which delivers a near-instant response time. The biggest selling point? The ability to swap out switches without desoldering. If you ever decide you want a different feel, linear, tactile, or clicky, you can change them out with ease, perfect for esports players and those who love customization. Keychron K6 Wireless. Not everyone wants an ultra gamer aesthetic with aggressive RGB. The Keychron K6 is an excellent mechanical keyboard with a clean, minimal design that fits just as well in an office as it does in a gaming setup. It offers both wired and Bluetooth connectivity, hot-swappable switches, and a solid aluminum build. If you want something that's versatile and reliable, this is an excellent pick. Choosing the right keyboard depends on how you game. If you're an FPS player, the Apex Pro or Huntsman V2 Analog will give you rapid response times and ultimate control. MMO and strategy gamers will love the Corsair K100 for its macro capabilities and ultra-fast polling rate. If you're a competitive player traveling to tournaments, the Logitech G Pro X TKL offers professional level responsiveness in a compact form factor. And if you're a hybrid worker gamer, the Keychron K6 provides excellent versatility without sacrificing performance. Now, no keyboard is perfect. The Apex Pro's customizable actuation is amazing, but it comes at a premium price. The Huntsman V2 Analog is incredibly advanced, but not all games fully support its analog feature yet. The Corsair K100 is one of the fastest keyboards on the market, but its large size may not fit every desk setup. However, if you know what you're looking for, these minor drawbacks are easy to overlook in exchange for their incredible advantages. But wait, there's one feature no one's talking about. One of these keyboards has a built-in OLED screen that lets you change settings on the fly without needing software. Which one is it? If you guessed the SteelSeries Apex Pro, you'd be right. This tiny display can show custom messages, system info, and even Discord notifications. It's a small touch, but it's incredibly useful. Alright, if you're ready to upgrade your gaming setup, I've got exclusive links in the description with discounts and deals, so don't miss out. Trust me, once you get the right keyboard, you'll feel the difference in every keystroke. Click the links to check out the latest prices, and if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more game-changing tech reviews. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to gaming keyboard? Do you prefer tactile switches or smooth linear ones? And if you could add one dream feature to a gaming keyboard, what would it be? I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.